Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to safe boot your device. So today I have here two devices. One is running the latest version of Android, which is Marshmallow 6.0.1, and this is running Lollipop 5.0.2. Both are the latest Androids, but the safe mode has been there for Android since I guess Jelly Bean 4.1. So in traditional till the Lollipop, you have to just power off your device, let it power off, and just start it normally. After it gives the vibration and shows the text, let it boot for a bit and keep pressing and holding the menu key. If you have a Motorola phone or a soft keys, just hold down the volume down, or the menu key too if you have a Samsung device or you have a menu key. Sorry, not the menu key, but the home button. And as you can see, we have been booted into a safe mode. So basically the safe mode is the mode if you have some booting issues or some defect in the ROM, you can just diagnose by booting into the safe mode. It will put your all third-party apps into, not, it will not uninstall it, it will keep it there if you boot it into the normal mode, but it will sort of reset the settings which you had kept before damaging your phone. So if you go into your settings, it will be resetted to the normal, so your device can be booted normally. As you can see, safe mode has been enabled. It is saying me over here. Decrease the brightness. As you can see, if I tap over here, it will just say to disable it, to disable it, so my all of the apps can work with a charm. So let's just cancel it, and if you want to just boot into normal mode, just restart it. But now in Marshmallow you can do that way. I have not checked it, but there's a more easier way, cause the Android is much more developing, and the number of Android developers is increasing, so there should be a way to make it much easier than before. So to do that, let me just adjust the brightness. This camera is very okay. Just hold down your power button. Let me, okay, there should be, okay, there we go. Just hold down your power button, and when the menu shutdown menu comes, just hold down your power off, and you should be greeted with this message. To reboot your device into the safe mode, just hit OK, and it's simple than the Lollipop or the older versions of the Android, because you have to just learn the code of your device when it boots, and you have to press the volume down. It takes a time to learn the sequence if you have a different kind of device. So now, I guess now it's booting into the safe mode, and as you can see, I am not holding anything. I just pressed OK over there. Sorry, let it boot. It's very cold over here. I don't know, usually Cyanogen mode takes a long to boot the ROM, not on the other devices, but specifically on the Exynos version of the S4, it takes long, like 40 to 50 seconds or 1 minute. There you go. And we should be now into the safe mode. As you can see down right here, it's a safe mode. And if you go into the main, let me just bring a bit far away. I'll do like this. My camera needs a very good lighting for focusing, sorry for that. And if you go, your third party apps are now gone. No, they are not uninstalled. If you boot into normal mode, their data is still there and the apps are still intact. They will not uninstall or change their settings, but it will just go away from here. As you can see, if you go into the settings, your settings have been reset to the default, so you have don't come across any errors. So guys, thanks for watching. This was my video of how to boot your device from 4.1 Jelly Bean to the Marshmallow. So guys, thanks for watching.